What is up and how are you guys doing? So today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to make some floam type of slime without actual foam beads. You're probably thinking right now, like, how could this gigantic block be a foam bead? Well, I'm going to show you guys later on what I mean by floam bead kind of things. But if you guys are wondering where to get this, my dad just got it from like this package sort of thing, and I tried to like use it to make floam slime and it worked out really good. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make in today's video. So let's just get on with the video. This slime was from my cereal milk batch slime. I just took a little piece of it and yeah. So guys, I'm just going to be adding in this lotion so that the slime will become more sticky and the foam will stick to it. Okay, so now you're just going to put your slime aside and take your foam block like so. Okay guys, so here is the block. Take like a chunk of that. Alright, we took a pretty big chunk, but now you're just going to like separate that and then just take it like this. And even if they're not fully separated, but just like that in chunks, it's okay. So as you guys can see, it was super easy to just separate all of them because you can still keep them in super big chunks because they will separate in the slime. So now you're just going to kind of take your slime and I'm just going to put them on here. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video of me teaching you guys a different way to make floam slime without actual foam beads. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really highly appreciate that. Make sure to also comment down below for some more video suggestions. And yeah, bye guys. Love you guys so much. Peace out.